Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. Those who invoke mutual imprecation were mentioned before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Hazrat Asim bin Adi passed some ill remarks about it. When he returned, one of the members of his people came to him with a complaint that he had found a man with his wife. Thereupon Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu said, I have suffered this trial on account of my statement. So he, accompanied by him, visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that man mentioned to him what he had found with his wife. And that man was pale-colored, thin and straight-haired, and the defendant whom he found with his wife was plump, carved, wittish, and chubby fellow. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, unravel the truth. So the child born resembled the defendant whom he had found with his wife. So the Prophet ﷺ asked both to invoke mutual imprecation. A man asked Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu in a meeting, Is this the woman about whom the Prophet ﷺ said, If I had stoned someone to death without a witness, I would have stoned her to death? He replied, No, but that woman would commit evil publicly, even being a Muslim. Abu Saleh and Abdullah bin Yusuf narrates that this report contains the word khadilan. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5310.